Up till the last video, we discussed the importance of wholesome digital marketing and the correct way to approach it. We also discussed the importance of digital advertising and why it should be below in your priority list contrary to the popular opinion. In this video, we are going to focus on the evolved version of public relations and its impact in the visibility of your brand to a wider audience, followed by an interview with a media industry stalwart, Miss Sakshi Prashar. Hello again, Sat Sri Akal ji. This is Karanveer Narang, hashtag UpwardsKV. Google किया है कभी? Communications consultant, and we're back again with the 7th video of the first series, Online Communications Flow Model, and let's do a quick recap. If you realize why it is a pyramid structure instead of a linear model, it is because of your brand's efforts focusing on the website to give more detailed information there. You then attract customers and track them through social media. To reach out to a wider audience, search engine optimization and online reputation management should be your priority to be done on daily basis. Digital advertising comes at a later stage and it is done only on a campaign basis or to meet short-term goals. The link of the whole YouTube playlist of this series would be in the description like always. Don't miss out on the concept because half knowledge is more dangerous. Marketing and communications is a human psychology and emotions related domain. The principles would never change as you and I would behave in a similar fashion as human beings. However, the ways, modes, methods and vehicles evolve with time and technology. You could read more about this on Tejasvi's guest blog of the last week. The link would be in the description. You know we're accepting guest blogs, don't you? General knowledge. Public relations deals with maintaining a positive image in the society at large. You do it in various ways, by giving away giveaways to social media influencers, or by distributing Diwali gift hampers across the city, or simply giving something in print media. You do it for both clients as well as investors. Now take a moment and think. What is the most reliable and authentic source of information which reaches the masses consistently and efficiently? अखबार सब पढ़ते हैं और मजाक में कोई नहीं पढ़ता, सब seriously पढ़ते हैं. Have you observed share prices falling with an article by the press? News. Print, audio, video and electronic are the sources of credible information which masses have faith in. It is regulated by the Press Council of India. अखबार में जो छपता है वही सत्य है, as perceived by masses. If you have launched or are about to launch a product, service or a business unit, do consider having a press conference or a press release depending upon your budget so that the masses in your servicing area could get aware about a new establishment which has come up in the vicinity. Don't believe me? While in one of my previous projects, we launched a mobile application through a press conference. And each day the article of the press conference got published, we saw a drastic increase in the app downloads. Additionally, the client got an offer for angel investment due to the enhanced reach. He made sure to give the whole team personal feedbacks. You could find mine by Mr. Sandeep Sanup on my personal LinkedIn profile. The link of the coverage video of the whole press conference would be in the description. Do check it out. But you could know more about PR through a core media person, so we invited one. So put your hands together for Miss Sakshi Prashar, a core media specialist having 8 years of work experience in the top media houses of the country. She has given n number of reports and you might find her face familiar. Hi Sakshi, what's up? How are you doing?
Hey Karan, thank you for inviting me. I'm good. Things are going great at my end. Hope you're doing good in these pandemic times.
Yes, बढ़िया. मतलब our series has begun and things are turning out fair. Thank you for asking. Can you tell us something about your 8 years of journey of in this media industry?
Hey, it's a great question. So, if you ask me about my journey of 8 years, it's been full of learning altogether. I've been part and parcel of various budgets, like every budget since 2013 I've been covering, every financial news I've been indulged in. So, yeah, the series is like that. I cannot really define a number.
My God. That means you would have really, good understanding about how the economy works and how, things are shaping up in India. Wow. Our viewers would be really interested to know that how does PR work, how does media work in increasing the reach of people to the masses?
So Karan, when it comes to, reaching out to the masses, I believe media is the best source. And be it with the help of television, be it with the help of newspapers. These days we have mobiles altogether, right? Mobile किसी के पास ना हो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. Just like games, every mobile might have one or two news apps as well. News is so handy these days, I can say. Define news को करना हो तो there are various sources where we get our news from. हमारे in-house reporters होते हैं, external reporters हम लोग hire करते हैं. Then we have various agencies reporting or giving us the material, what's happening around in the world. Then there is PR जो कई बार हमको corporate houses के बारे में बताते हैं. मतलब बहुत local bodies भी होते हैं जहाँ से हमको informations आती हैं. There are times कि लोग ads देते हैं. Nowadays there's a term called advertorial. Advertorial means that you're advertising your own company. With a great example, advertorial आपको कॉस्ट जरूर करता है बट आप अपनी बात अच्छे से रख पाते हो.
So, how should the unfinished business having any kind of an offering, not just marketing, but can be heavy duty industrial equipment, can be FMCD, FMCG, any kind of thing, should be promoting themselves through an advertorial?
Advertorial, I think these days is a very nice way of catching hold of people's memory, and it has more recall value altogether because उसमें बहुत से elements आप add कर सकते हो. आपका advertorial खाली एक न्यूज़पेपर में आर्टिकल नहीं हो सकता है, वो वेबसाइट का एक वीडियो भी हो सकता है, वो एक पॉडकास्ट भी हो सकता है. It can be in collaboration with certain influencers.
The next is I wanted to ask you, what is the difference between, for example, I run a blog as an advertisement on Facebook, or I give an article of the same thing to you as an advertorial. Can you please throw some light on the difference between the both? Because this is what our audience is very confused about. They think that, digital ads is now replacing this kind of media and PR activity.
You are unfinished business and you are giving ad from your Facebook account. So that goes on to the reach. एक तो आप obviously Facebook पे audience selective होती है. एक media organization की एक individual से reach तो ज़्यादा होगी, right? Any news agency will never, come up with anything which is not credible. There's a fact-checking desk in every organization in media, right? So गलत कोई भी media organization कभी भी नहीं चलाएगा. उसके penalizations ही इतने होते हैं that no one will take that risk. As an individual, I'll say कि individual मैं कुछ भी लिख दूंगी, आप कुछ भी लिख दोगे. कोई fact checking नहीं है तो there's some trust हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. मतलब दो-sided रहेगा.
Is there a pattern that you would like to recommend people to adopt?
Yeah, Karan, so I'll tell you one thing. बिकता वो है जो इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. अब आप जब पैसे लगा ही रहे हो अपने कंटेंट के ऊपर तो उसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाओ, उसका कंज्यूमर एंगल दिखाओ, तभी वो बिकेगा. कनेक्ट बनता है, राइट? तो कनेक्शन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज रहती है व्हेन यू एडवर्टाइज और व्हेन यू पुटिंग इन द एडिटोरियल्स. ऑब्वियसली कंटेंट, graphics, images do play a big role.
Thank you so much, Sakshi, for your precious time. And I'm sure it's going to be a hit. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karan, for having me. It was really great to, be with you on this platform.
There, you heard from a passionate core industry specialist, and passion is what unites us. To sum it up, your company would need to pulse PR on fixed regular intervals to always stay in the sight of the masses. Because out of sight, out of mind. If I stop making these videos, you'll forget me, won't you? In our next video, we are going to talk about social media influencers and choosing the right one for your brand. Until then, thank you for watching and do follow us.